good morning, guys. Sorry I'm running behind here. The video's a little bit. I feel like, hey, here's an update and it's 2 minutes long and then I just take off on you guys. Been super busy here. We've been busy doing stuff, and I've got another painter I've been using, so we've been using a booth that's not too far from here, which I've always used, but I don't know. I don't even know where I'm going with this. I've just been over there at nighttime with the new painter, so it's been late days or late evenings. So you know, it's been one of those. We've been pulling 20-hour days here for the last few days. Work at the shop till 5. Head over to the booth. Get out of the booth around 11 or 1 a.m. in the morning. So anyway, let's give you a quick little update. So the 70 Charger. You guys, you remember I did a little video on it. The old, the rusty old Charger, but that's okay. We got her sitting in here in the shop and finally getting started here a little bit on it. Got a couple hours in it the other day here, starting to, you know, you see we cut the pan out of there. Got tape and stuff written down all over the car. A notepad with stuff written down, pictures. I always like to be sure of everything. So we got to get right in there. We still got some more to clean up. Now this floor piece was cut out when it came here, but this is a big job, the old girl. There's a lot of metal work here. But yeah, I believe even up along the roof area there, you can see there's some holes here and there. But it's all good. It's going to be fun. I love it. I love the metalwork end of it. And yes, Lisa will be getting on her Merc soon. For all you guys out there wondering, there's her Merc. It's undercover. She's been busy with other stuff. Don't forget, she's not here every single day. So she's been busy with other stuff, and you know, she's always working her ass off around the shop here. You saw her, she did some pinstriping the other day, and I've had her working on some other parts and pieces. So you know, she gets on her car when she can. But you know what? Better to take your time and just do little bits here and there than try and rush it and screw it up. And I've given her that spot right there until the fall. So I mean, she's got plenty of time. She's going to do well. Okay, so what do we got going out here? If you remember, we built this truck a long time back. This little Chevy pickup. Customer brought it in. He just wanted a couple little things on it changed, so we did that. So it's looking good. Out having fun with it. Now, oh, you know what? I will shut the camera off, but I'm just going to take you guys on the grand tour because I forgot to get the key to open up the body shop. So let's bring you guys through the tour of the day, as if you're with us right now, eh? Yeah. All right. Parts for a Camaro laying all over the place. T-shirts, come on, you guys! Look at that. There's Black Betty on a t-shirt. There's an original First Design t-shirt. I think we're almost out of those, to be honest. Decals. There's Bittersweet. Paint and chrome. Don't get you home. And somewhere under there, there's Terry's car carried away. We got the shirts. We got the decals. We got it. And no, nothing on the bottom shelf is for sale. Take a glance there. Nothing is for sale. Here, let's tease you a bit more. No, nothing is for sale. Okay, let's get the hell out of here. It's driving me insane. I got to work today, and I'd sooner be out there. Uh oh, look at this dog across the road. Look at my neighbor's dog. You see that? Look at him. He's dead. He's got two Rotties over there, and he's got a, I can't remember what the other dog is, and I tell you, I pity anyone that tries to break into his place or even tries to break into my place, because those dogs are just unreal. Okay, let's get on it here. Peter's truck, the 66 4x4 pickup. There's all his small parts and pieces for the front end. They are in final primer. Yes, Peter, it's all in final primer. There's this cab in final primer. Now, Corey, my buddy, who's always flipping cars, he's got himself a little 68 Mustang here. Beautiful little car. Runs like a dream. It's got all new interior, all that kind of stuff. He brought it in. It just needed an alternator and some front brake work. Anyway, he always gets us to check the cars over, do a little bit of tidy up, clean up on them. Now, I don't know whether this is for sale or not. Wait a minute, what am I saying? It's Corey. Yes, it's for sale. He'll be selling this car too. So anyone local looking for a 68 Mustang, I don't know what the price will be, but it is a very clean car. I was looking at it and I didn't see any rust anywhere, and it doesn't look like it's got any body filler in it either. So there you go. It's got new tires, wheels, exhaust, all the goodies. I think it's a 289. Don't know what else to tell you about it. It's in for a little bit of work. Oh, here's another one for you. I wanted to keep this a secret, but Disney has come to us and they were going to make another movie, Cars 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know what it is. So we've got Nader here. There we go. A little 54. So we're going to be putting a dual master with a power brake booster on there, going through all the brakes, putting a keg in the back of the box as a gas tank. It's actually got a 302 in it, this truck. Stock suspension though. So we'll get on this one a little later with some other videos when we get going to it. But there you go. That's what's going on with that. Okay, let's look in the shop here and see what's going on. Let's look. Everybody will be rolling into work here pretty quick now. Did I get it? Yeah. What has Mr. Sean got going on in here today? And Bruce. So there's the rest of the parts, door panels and pieces for the pickup. And here's the Camaro that we've been working on for Merid. This is her little 67 rag top. You remember I told you the story on this lady, loves doing smoke shows, lighting them up, having fun with this car. That's the kind of gal you want. You like a gal that's into cars and knows how to drive a standard. That's awesome. So this now is in a, I don't know if Sean's on his second primer, the final primer, or if this is just a second primer for a block again. I'm not too sure. But anyway, it is coming along nicely. So we actually got to get in there today and see what's going on with the convertible top, because I told you before, she had it at another shop. The guy screwed her over, and then when he gave her the car back, he never gave her any of the convertible top stuff. Everything seemed to have gone missing. Wow, what a shame. It wouldn't be a shame though if that guy went missing, would it? Anyway, so that's what's going on there. So we got to get in there today and try and fit all the convertible top stuff that she's bought new and see if it works. And that's about it there. There's the hood for it. And that is all there is going on for today. So we will see you next time. Buy a t-shirt, buy a decal, or at least just get out in your garage and build something.